The digital product market is booming, with US adults spending an average of $120 to $130 each month. And that trend? It's only getting bigger. Now imagine tapping into this massive market and generating income online with minimal upfront costs. Sounds too good to be true? Let's turn that into reality. In this video, we'll share proven strategies for selling digital products online. Whether you're leveraging your skills, knowledge, or creativity, we'll guide you through turning your ideas into a profitable business. Stick with me, and by the end, you'll have a clear, actionable roadmap for turning your digital ideas into cash. Welcome to WealthWise Path, where we explore the best ways to grow your wealth online. Be sure to hit subscribe so you never miss the latest tips on digital entrepreneurship. Digital products, such as ebooks, online courses, software, stock photos, and templates, are intangible items delivered electronically, making them instantly accessible and easy to distribute. This allows you to build a business with minimal startup costs and a global reach. What makes digital products so appealing is their profitability. There's no need for physical inventory, shipping, or ongoing production. Once created, these products can be sold indefinitely, making them a highly scalable and sustainable business model. With the ability to reach customers worldwide, your earning potential is virtually limitless. The digital product market is booming and shows no signs of slowing down. More and more consumers are looking for digital solutions, whether that's for learning, productivity, or entertainment, creating a massive opportunity for businesses to tap into this growing market. Now that we've explored why digital products are so profitable, let's look at the first crucial step in building your digital product business: identifying your niche. The key to a successful digital product business is choosing a specific niche. By narrowing your focus, you can create products that directly address your target audience's unique needs. Rather than trying to serve everyone, you'll become an expert in a particular area, making it easier to connect with customers actively seeking solutions. Popular niches such as fitness, personal finance, and productivity have high demand for digital products. These areas offer tremendous potential and allow you to create products that make a real impact on people's lives. To identify a profitable niche, use tools like Google Trends to spot trending topics. Explore Reddit or Facebook groups to uncover common pain points, and conduct surveys to directly ask your audience what they need. These insights will guide you to profitable niches that are perfect for digital product creation. Once you've identified your niche, it's time to create high-quality products that truly resonate with your audience. Whether it's ebooks, online courses, or templates, ensure your products exceed your audience's expectations. A great product builds trust, encourages repeat customers, and generates positive reviews. Creating digital products has never been easier. Platforms like Canva for design, Teachable for courses, and Gumroad for sales provide intuitive tools to help you get started. No technical expertise required. With your product ready, it's time to choose the best platform to sell it. Popular platforms include Etsy, Shopify, Gumroad, and Teachable, each catering to different needs. Etsy is great for creative products like printables or digital art, while Shopify is perfect for comprehensive e-commerce stores. Teachable is ideal for courses. Consider factors like ease of use, transaction fees, and scalability when selecting your platform. For courses, Teachable is the best option. For ebooks or art, Gumroad or Etsy will work well. Shopify is perfect if you have a diverse product range. A professional, user-friendly website is essential for converting visitors into buyers. Your site should be easy to navigate, load quickly, and be mobile-friendly to capture a larger audience. Product pages should clearly highlight the benefits of your products and feature high-quality images, demos, and reviews to build trust. To ensure your website ranks well on search engines, optimize it with relevant keywords, meta tags, and fast loading times. SEO optimization will help drive organic traffic, giving you the visibility needed to attract more buyers. Once you've built your website and digital products, the next step is driving traffic and increasing sales. Here are some effective strategies. Utilize social media marketing platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, TikTok, and LinkedIn are key to reaching a broad audience. Share engaging content, such as tips, tutorials, success stories, and testimonials related to your digital products. Consistency is crucial for organic growth. Post regularly, engage with your audience, and build a community around your brand. As your audience grows, consider scaling your efforts with paid advertising, such as Facebook, Instagram ads, or Google ads, to attract new customers. Leverage email marketing. Offer a freebie, like a downloadable guide or mini course, to encourage visitors to join your email list. Craft compelling email campaigns to nurture your subscribers and drive conversions. Use tools like MailChimp or ConvertKit to automate email sequences for product launches, promotions, and follow-ups, ensuring you stay top of mind. Collaborate with influencers and bloggers. Influencers can boost your product's credibility and expose it to a larger, engaged audience. Search for relevant influencers through platforms like BuzzSumo or on social media. Partner with influencers for product reviews, giveaways, or affiliate programs to tap into their audience and increase sales. After driving traffic to your site, it's time to optimize your sales process to convert visitors into paying customers. Use clear call-to-action buttons, persuasive copywriting, and well-crafted product descriptions to guide users toward making a purchase. Leverage customer reviews, success stories, and case studies to build trust and influence buying decisions. Consider upselling related products or offering bundles to increase the value of each sale. To ensure continuous growth and profitability, it's crucial to effectively manage your business. Track sales data, website traffic, and other key metrics using tools like Google Analytics or Shopify reports. This data helps you make informed decisions to optimize your marketing strategies. Regularly gather customer feedback to improve your products and customer experience. As your business expands, look for opportunities to scale, such as diversifying your product line, outsourcing tasks, and increasing marketing efforts to reach more customers and boost revenue. By following these steps, you'll be able to build a sustainable, profitable digital product business. For more proven strategies to grow your wealth online, don't forget to subscribe to Wealthwise Path. Don't wait. Take the first step now and watch your business thrive.